Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn properties of triangle based on the lengths of their sides. So let us start. What is property of a triangle on the basis of their sides? The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. Let us understand it with the help of some examples. Question 1. Check whether a triangle can be formed with the line segments measuring 4.1 cm, 2.9 cm and 3.3 cm. Now let us calculate the sum of two line segments. So students, firstly we will take 4.1 cm and 2.9 cm. So let's solve. So 4.1 cm plus 2.9 cm is equal to 7 cm. And here students you can see थर्ड साइड जो है वो 3.3 सेंटीमीटर है और यहाँ पे 7 सेंटीमीटर जो है वो ग्रेटर है 3.3 सेंटीमीटर से. नाउ लेट अस ऐड 2.9 सेंटीमीटर एंड 3.3 सेंटीमीटर. सो हियर वी राइट 2.9 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 3.3 सेंटीमीटर एंड द आंसर इज 6.2 सेंटीमीटर. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, एज वी नो 6.2 cm is greater than 4.1 cm क्योंकि जब हमने 2.9 cm और 3.3 cm को ऐड कर लिया तो 4.1 cm बच गया. Now let us add 4.1 cm and 3.3 cm. So here 4.1 cm plus 3.3 cm is equal to 7.4 centimeter, and we know that 7.4 centimeter is greater than 2.9 centimeter. Students, since the sum of pair of every two line segment is greater than the third line segment, thus a triangle can be formed with a line segment measuring 4.1 centimeter, 2.9 centimeter and 3.3 centimeter. Now let us take one more example. Question 2. Check whether a triangle can be formed with the line segments measuring 2.7 centimeter, 19.9 centimeter and 13.7 centimeter. So students, let us calculate the sum of two line segments. So firstly we add 2.7 centimeter and 19.9 centimeter and the answer is 22.6 centimeter. And here 22.6 centimeter is greater than 13.7 centimeter. Now we add 19.9 centimeter and 13.7 centimeter. So here we write 19.9 centimeter plus 13.7 centimeter and the answer is 33.6 centimeter. And here 33.6 centimeter is greater than 2.7 centimeter. Now we add 2.7 centimeter and 13.7 centimeter. So 2.7 centimeter plus 13.7 centimeter is equal to 16.4 centimeter. And here 16.4 centimeter is less than 19.9 centimeter. Since the sum of pair of every two line segment is not greater than the third line segment, thus a triangle cannot be formed with a line segment measuring 2.7 centimeter, 19.9 centimeter and 13.7 centimeter. So students, this is how we can check and form triangle by using the given line segment. I hope your concept is clear. Now it's practice time and your questions are here. So pause your video and please solve it. and we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.